Welcome to the channel. Today, we will walk you through how to add a verification method in GoDaddy. This process will help secure your account and make sure you have extra protection against unauthorized access. First, log into your GoDaddy account. Next, once you're on the dashboard, click the small arrow beside your profile picture. Then, from the menu that appears, select Account Settings. After that, look at the left sidebar and select the Security section. Next, find the section called Verification Methods and click on it. Here, you will see a button to add a new verification method. Click on Add Verification Method to continue. Then, you will see 4 different verification options: Passkey, GoDaddy Studio app, Authenticator app, and phone number. Choose the method you want to use for your account. For example, if you choose phone number, enter your phone number in the field provided. Then, click on Send Verification Code. Finally, check your phone for the 6-digit code. Enter the code in the verification field to complete the process. Once verified, your account will have an additional layer of security. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others.